This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Michael Emery. Let's keep this home buying process simple. We have 2 beds and 1 bath, a kitchen to cook and 2 mutual spaces for you to live as you wish. The home requires minimal maintenance because the association does most of it for you. Located in the middle of Hampton Roads and close to the interstate access, one can commute anywhere in about 30-ish minutes. The best part of the small community is tucked back close to the water for a peaceful outside experience with the sound of birds and a grass area for you to do what you do. Come and check out our peaceful, private, simple home with plenty of space to park. For more information, review the details below.